this is this is new to me. I'm hoping that it sounds better this way. But yeah, we're back on the Jeep. Last time we got uh, all of the stuff in this drivetrain sorted, differential, wheel bearings, CV axles, all of that put together, so we can hopefully tackle some more steers of the trail cells in their trails. Um, I still have a couple of things to do. I still want to get like a gang switch style that can power this and the differential, so like that I can just just do it out of one switch that can control multiple things. And also my air compressor that is on it right there. I will show you that, guys, another time, but I have to get that situated one of these days. So I will, hopefully you guys follow along for that. But today, what we're going to be tackling is going back to doing our radiator that I never got around to doing. Actually, let me show you the reason why we're trying to replace this radiator, because of this right here. You can see how it has been going everywhere, and it's due to this right here. I was doing my thermostat at one point, and I ended up just hitting it with my hand, and it broke off. So it's time to upgrade to that big puppy right here. It's a four row instead of a two row, and it's just holds a little more. The capacity is a little bit more larger, so that helps keeping the truck a little bit cooler. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by draining the truck, getting that started, and then from there we're gonna start pulling stuff apart. I gotta get the clutch fan out, because this one has a dual fan setup, so that fan has to come out. So that fan comes out, then the shroud, then the radiator. I already evacuated the AC system for this. Actually, right here, you guys can see that box there in the back. That is a condenser that I bought a long time ago, because I had a fender bender in this vehicle where that bent, but it never leaked. So I was like, so I don't have to replace it. I'm not gonna replace it. But now I'm getting to the point where I don't want to wait until something does go bad. And more now that the wife is starting to travel more with me, I don't want to get stranded with her. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to start replacing things before the break. You can call it preventative, but thankfully, since I'm doing most of the work myself, it's not too expensive. I also wanted to remind you guys that there is a part one to this video, as it was recorded like a couple of days before, so it's almost at the same format as what you're seeing now. But again, I mentioned it briefly in the beginning of the video. In that video, I replaced both front CV axles, the front differential, the both front wheel bearings. And I did that because both wheel bearings were faulty. The two CV axles that came out of the truck were not compatible technically with this front differential, since this one is a limited slip, the one that went in. But if you want to see that, guys, make sure that you go watch all the videos. Not a too long of a video, so just make sure you go watch that, to me that favor. And if you go back to that video, make sure that you drop a like on that video as well. Again, guys, thank you, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so we're pretty much done with the truck. So, excuse me. All in reality that I have to get done is just refill the system. So again, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, you liked it, drop a like. I'll keep getting my hands dirty, and you guys keep enjoying the videos. You guys have a good one. Take care, man.